Garnishing the. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more Litchi based mocktail, and the mocktail name is Litchi Pink Fudge. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice for this mocktail so that you will get some tangy flavor. Just squeeze on lemon juice. After that, you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of granulated syrup. Don't add more, just add 5 ml of granulated syrup. Then you have to pour 15 ml of lychee crush. That's it. If you add more, then it will be more sweet. Then you have to add like 90 to 120 ml of cranberry juice. You have to pour. That's it. Okay. After that, just shake all the ingredients and clean. Then take into a fancy glass and pour all the ingredients into the. After that, simply just fill the glass with Sprite and soda. See, this is a very pink punch, lychee pink punch mocktail. Yes, after that, you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices and simply you can garnish it with the lemon also. You have to do garnish like this. You can add some more soda. See how the fancy color came for this mocktail. This is the replacement juice and crush based mocktail you can try. Okay, then you can serve the. You can garnish with some scissors and some straw. Okay, I'm adding some more of soda. That's it. Just garnishing the mocktail. See, your mocktail is ready. This is the lychee pink punch mocktail. Very simple mocktail with the combination of lychee crush, little bit of granulated syrup and lime juice and cranberry juice. After that, you can fill the glass with like soda and Sprite. You can try this mocktail, very refreshment mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail, and thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.